What's up, guys? I just found a really good platform that does crypto mining. Watch this video. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is ViaBTC landing page. The link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, ViaBTC has recently expanded its offerings by supporting new crypto coins, which includes Bell's Coin, Fractal Bitcoin, and Lithium. It provides miners with more opportunities to diversify and maximize their profits. And guys, as a top-tier mining pool, ViaBTC ranks among the top in the industry for major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, you have Litecoin, and Bitcash, as well as KAS. Now, showcasing its strength, reliability, and commitment to miners worldwide. And guys, through ViaBTC's referral program, users can actually get 20% in commissions just by inviting your friends or your families to mine and earn income in this platform. So it fosters a collaborative environment to earn more together. And additionally, features like hourly profit settlements, auto withdrawals, and exchange options help miners manage their assets with ease, which reduces losses due to the market fluctuations. So moreover, with zero fee withdrawals to CoinX, miners enjoy seamless asset transfers and added benefits. And guys, just hearing that auto transfer alone, it makes me excited because, you know, it is like a passive income already because it's mining, right? But you want your profit to be scheduled. That way, you know, you could exchange that or you could sell that whenever you want, and you don't want to be affected by any fluctuations because who knows, right? Like at this point, that token that you are mining has a good price and you would like to sell that right now, right? So if you are able to get that, you will be able to take advantage of the price action, which has a good price. If you are not able to withdraw that in time and the token price of the token that you are mining drops, then that's a loss for you. I mean, it's not a total loss, but you could have taken advantage of the good price instead of, you know, suffering for a lower price on the coin that you are going to be exchanging. So ViaBTC is a trusted global brand which offers comprehensive mining services in over 150 countries and regions to more than 1 million users worldwide. Now, with a cumulative mining output valued in the billions, with a high standard multi-level risk control system and worldwide low latency nodes, ViaBTC provides a secure, stable, and 24/7 accessible mining network. So this is something that you really need to explore, guys. I mean, this is not just your ordinary mining platform. It is something else. It is giving you the best features with the best benefits that you could enjoy, right? So for revenue optimization, ViaBTC supports PPS Plus, you have PPLNS, and solo methods, and it ensures faster hourly payments, maintaining one of the lowest orphan rates for increased profitability. Now, ViaBTC's one-stop solution includes smart mining pools like the profit calculator. Let me show that to you real quick here. All right, you could go ahead and check that one out here. So let's say 1,000. Okay, that is your estimated daily yield for a BTC. You can go ahead and play around with this one, guys, and I'm sure you will be able to project. And I'm sure this is something that will be able, and I'm sure this is something that will definitely be helpful for you to project your daily incomes for the tokens that you are mining, all right? So you can go ahead and check that one out as well, guys. And they also have asset management with a built-in crypto wallet. And through its user-friendly app, guys, miners can monitor hash rates, manage assets securely, and receive timely fluctuation alerts, making ViaBTC a reliable partner for both beginner and seasoned miners as well. So, and guys, this is something that I like the most about them as well. They have the help center, which has a lot of information that talks about this ViaBTC. They have announcements, they have ViaBTC pool functions, register and login, of course, start mining, account security, FAQs, and the help center right here. Okay, you will be able to do your own research just by going in this place. They have a lot of information that you could go ahead and check out. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into and you could make an informed decision before you start investing. All right, so this is ViaBTC, guys. Again, a link to this will be in the description of the video. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.